hindi mo pa rin alam kung anong direction mo next year? Habang yung iba may vision boards, planners, at clear na goals, ikaw parang blank page. Habang sila excited sa next chapter, ikaw hindi mo alam kung ano ang una mong sentence. At kahit gusto mong sumabay, parang wala ka talagang makita. At nakakatakot yun. Nakaka-pressure, yung feeling na dapat may sagot ka na, dapat may plano ka na, dapat may progress ka na, pero ang totoo, minsan, pag sobrang dami mong pinagdadaanan, wala ka talagang energy para magplano. Minsan, surviving is already your biggest achievement. Pero, tandaan mo to, clarity comes from movement. Hindi mo kailangang malaman ang buong daan, hindi mo kailangan ng perfect vision, hindi mo kailangan ng final answers. Ang kailangan mo lang isang maliit na hakbang, isang desisyon, isang attempt, isang bago o paulit-ulit na try. Every small step you take in 2026, kahit messy, kahit mabagal, kahit uncertain, will lead you exactly to where you're meant to be. You're not lost. You're just in a chapter that requires patience. And trust me, direction comes to people who don't stop moving.